Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking salmon in a Ninja Crispi Pro glass air fryer. For this easy recipe, we need salmon fillets, olive oil, and for my seasonings I'm going to use salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika, and of course feel free to use any seasonings you like. I'm going to brush the salmon with olive oil. This step is totally optional. I just like it because it locks in moisture and keeps the fish extra juicy. But if you're watching calories, feel free to skip the oil. It will still be delicious. And now I'm going to season it. So here's salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. And now I'm just going to rub the oil and seasonings in the salmon. Perfect. And now I'm going to take out the air fryer basket. And now let's put the salmon in a bowl. I'm using a 6-quart large glass bowl. And let's put the bowl in the air fryer. I will turn on the air fryer now. I will be using the air fry mode and set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 10 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the salmon. I can see it through the glass. Looks amazing. Let's take it out of the air fryer. Wow, look at that. So good. I do recommend using the instant read thermometer, checking the internal temperature of the salmon to make sure it's at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Yep, it's over 145. So it's totally cooked, and if it's not cooked to your liking, you can just put it back in the air fryer and cook it for a few more minutes until it's perfect. The thicker are the pieces, the longer it takes to cook. And also some people like their salmon even more well done or less well done, so always adjust the temp. So now let's take it out of the air fryer, just using my spatula. Be careful so it doesn't break. Perfect. Looks so good. Now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. Look, flakes so easily with a fork. Look how tender it is, how juicy and moist it is. Wow. Awesome. Let's try. So perfectly seasoned, so moist, so juicy. This is the juiciest salmon ever. So it's so golden brown on the outside and perfectly tender, juicy, and moist on the inside. Air fryer is the best way of cooking salmon. And look how quick and easy it is. No waiting for the oven to heat. No dealing with standing over the stove. No dealing with the splatters. Just put it in the air fryer and it makes a perfect salmon for you, and no need to flip it. Doesn't get easier than that. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks, for lots and lots of air fryer recipes, including lots of recipes for this Ninja Crispi Pro glass air fryer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and enjoy!